Okay, action.
My game is kind of simple. You're a cat and you catch mice. You got 15 seconds to catch as many as you can, and then it resets. I was gonna do something entirely different, but it would have taken much longer, and I don't have time. So here's the game. You're a cat and you catch mice, and then there's walls to keep you from progressing and or from just going too quickly.
Oh, mice. Oh.
It's mice. You get it?
Nice.
It was,
Get it? Get it?
Cat and mouse. Alright.
It's the mouse
Here's
cursor.
the ending screen. You can go back to the start screen or just play again like this. Resets everything, and everything works.
So you got them to spawn in the. How'd you end up getting the mice to spawn like not in the walls?
I took some graph paper and essentially I just did where the walls would be, and I made it so each of them would spawn in a row and a column.
Yeah.
And I'd have a random range of where it would be in that row and column.
Okay.
So that made it spawn in between the walls. So
Awesome.
yeah, anyone want to?
Good. Who wants to play? Who wants to play? Anybody?
Give it a try. Anyone? Herman, you want to go?
I will try. I will.
You can use the arrows too. So.
Now, is there any way that I can actually kill the cat?
No.
Oh,
that's
not
not
killing
fair.
the
What
cat.
kind of a game is this?
Press
Come
P
on.
to play.
We can use the arrows.
Ooh.
Yeah, the walls
Arrows
just
can
stop
use-
you. I wanted to add a bonk sound, but I didn't have enough time.
Ooh. And you kind of get stuck on them a little bit.
Yep.
Oh, well, I only have 15 seconds to clear it.
Yep. You only have 15
Oh, man.
seconds. Get as many as you can.
What's your high score?
Like 11, I think.
So you got to kind of hope for a good randomizer.
Pretty much.
Come
And
on.
also, you stop at the edge of the screen.
You're gonna get it. Oh.
Got savage.
You got this. We all believe in you, Herman.
Ooh, this is a bad draw right in this one. That was kind of tough. Got it.
It does, the rows and columns do kind of remove some randomness. from it,
Oh. Anybody else want to play?
but, anyone else?
Couldn't
Ben?
figure out how to kill the cat.
Ben, get over here. You're playing the game.
All right, Ben's gonna play.
Yeah.
You got this. Alright, you can use the arrows at WASD.
Zoom in.
You're gonna beat Herman's high score.
You got any sound on the game?
Oh, 13. Oh, wait. Yeah. Great job. You've already beat my high score first try. Magic.
Any sound on the game?
There was supposed to be sound, I guess it just didn't work.
Take your volume.
No, it's on. I'll add that. It's fine. There's, yep, that's my project.
Okay, all right.
Sounds good.